RAF, and then it went back into civilian hands and was raced several. I never expected to be talking about the Yak-52 being involved in combat. Falling out in front of us. Absolutely lovely and immaculate topside pass to begin with. The team in Delta formation, a full-time, albeit reservist, qualified flying instructor and air experienced flight commander on the Universities of Wales Air Squadron at St Athan on the Grob Tutor. So in they come then, with Simon leading the way up for their first aerobatic manoeuvre, the Delta Loop. And Simon very calmly calling the team into a right turn. Putting the smoke on, tightening the turn to bring the team round. Back towards display centre for an underside pass. And that'll transition into what's known as a quarter clover, so describing a quarter of a clover leaf. As they excite Master, Vampire, Venom, Hunter, L29 and L39, as well as the Wasp helicopter. Now we've got the box 4 formation back in for a big barrel roll. Thing going on in front of you all the time, and they achieved that really well. Here come Ravens 4 and 5 once again in a stretched line astern, performing a barrel roll of their own. Direction. Come Ravens 1, 2, 3 and 6 for the Cyclone, with Raven 6 rolling around the main formation. Raven 6 is Mark Southern. He is a commercial airline pilot who started out in the RAF as an air electronics operator on the Nimrod maritime reconnaissance aircraft, but he retrained as a pilot on the Jet Provost and the Hawk. He flew the Tornado GR1 strike aircraft and then as an instructor at Delta. 4 and 5 are about to break, and this is the vertical split. Numbers 1, 2 and 3 heading out away from us. Rolling left, and it's time for their final Delta downward bomb burst.